Exercise is a fundamental component of a healthy lifestyle, and its benefits extend far beyond just physical appearance. Engaging in regular physical activity can enhance fitness, improve performance, and contribute to overall well-being. Let's delve into the science of exercise, exploring how to maximize fitness and performance through various aspects such as training, nutrition, and recovery. Training principles. Progressive overload. To maximize fitness and performance, you must progressively increase the intensity, duration, or frequency of your workouts. This challenges your body to adapt and grow stronger over time. Specificity. Tailor your training to your goals. Different types of exercise, e.g., strength training, endurance training, produce different adaptations. For example, strength training increases muscle mass and power, while endurance training enhances cardiovascular fitness. Periodization. Vary your training regimen over time. Periodization involves dividing your training into cycles, such as hypertrophy, muscle building, and strength phases, to prevent plateaus and reduce the risk of overtraining. Rest and recovery. Adequate rest is crucial for muscle repair and overall recovery. Overtraining can lead to injury and hinder progress. Nutrition. Macronutrients. Fuel your workouts with a balanced diet. Carbohydrates provide energy, protein supports muscle repair and growth, and healthy fats are essential for overall health. Hydration. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for performance. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, cramps, and decreased exercise capacity. Meal timing. Timing your meals around workouts can optimize performance. Consuming carbohydrates before exercise can boost energy levels, while protein intake post-workout aids in recovery. Supplements. Some individuals may benefit from supplements like creatine for enhanced strength or caffeine for improved endurance. However, consult with a healthcare professional before using supplements. Cardiovascular fitness. Aerobic exercise. Engage in aerobic activities like running, cycling, or swimming to improve cardiovascular health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. High intensity interval training. HIIT combines short bursts of intense exercise with brief recovery periods. It can be a time-efficient way to improve fitness and burn calories. Strength and muscle building. Resistance training. Lift weights or use resistance bands to build muscle and strength. Compound exercises, which work multiple muscle groups, are especially effective. Protein intake. Ensure an adequate protein intake to support muscle growth. Aim for about 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Flexibility and mobility. Stretching. Incorporate regular stretching exercises to maintain flexibility and prevent injury. Dynamic stretching before exercise and static stretching after exercise can be beneficial. Recovery. Sleep. Quality sleep is essential for recovery and performance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Rest days. Include rest days in your training schedule to allow your body to recover fully. Foam rolling and massage. These techniques can help alleviate muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Monitoring and tracking. Fitness metrics. Use tools like heart rate monitors, fitness apps, or wearables to track your progress and adjust your training accordingly. Mental health. Mind-body connection. Recognize the psychological benefits of exercise, including stress reduction and mood enhancement. Incorporate mindfulness and stress management techniques into your routine. Remember that individual responses to exercise can vary. It's important to consult with a healthcare or fitness professional before starting a new exercise program, especially if you have underlying health conditions or specific goals in mind. Customizing your approach based on your unique needs and goals is key to maximizing fitness and performance.